Hi everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to solve range sum of binary search tree. Here we are given root of a binary search tree along with the two values low and high. We have to return the sum of all the nodes which are between these low and high values, including both of these values obviously. Okay, and return the sum of all those nodes. Okay, so I will be using a recursive function for that. So first of all, I will create a variable to hold the result. Then I will create a function search and we'll pass root to it and we'll return what result. Okay, now let us create the recursive function for the same. So as I said, I will create a search function and I will pass node in it. So the first condition, which is base condition, is if not node. I mean, if node is empty, if either the node is empty or we have reached the leaf node, in that case we will just return out of it. Okay, if that's not the case, then what? Then we will check if node.value of our current node lies between low and high, and it should be less than and equal to, because both of these values are inclusive. If it is in between, then add the value to the result variable and move ahead to the left and right of our node. Okay, so this was when our value is between, including both these node low and high values. But if not, what if node.val is less than low? Current value is less than low. Then what? Then we will move to the towards the right of the our node. If that's not the case, I mean, if the value of node is greater than the low, then in that case we will move towards left of the node. So that is it. That should do our job. So I created a function, search function, which if our node is empty. Okay, it is saying right is not defined. Okay, sorry, it is node dot right. My bad. Let us submit again. Okay, self dot result. It did the job and it is doing the job in pretty standard time. It is between 98.34% of the users and 87.42% in memory. So we can say it is an awesome solution in terms of Python. Okay. So to reiterate, if we are at the leaf node or we do not have anything, we'll just return out of it. But if our value is between the permissible range, then we will append it to the result and move towards left and right of the node. Simultaneously. If current value node.value is less than low, we'll move towards right. And if that's not the case, we will move towards left. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.